What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing some urban creek fishing. There's some nice brook trout in here that I caught earlier this year, and there's also, I've heard of there being some little perch in here, so we're gonna see what we can catch. So stay tuned. Let's get to fishing in this urban creek. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I have about an hour to fish, and I'm just gonna walk down the creek this way and hopefully we can get on some fish. Hopefully, I really want to catch a fall brook trout, so hopefully we can get on one of those. There's a nice pool up here coming up that hopefully will have some in it. So stay tuned and let's try to catch some urban fish. I'm just basically using a split shot, a hook, and some night crawlers that I'm gonna split up into little pieces. I might try like a split tail grub after or something like that. But for now, I'm just gonna stick with the basics and use this and see if the trout are active and if we can catch anything. Just caught this tiny little creek chub. Gonna toss him back. Alright, guys, so it's the next day and I'm back out here. I'm in the same creek but just a different section. And I didn't have much luck last night. I just caught that little creek chub, but I didn't have that much time last night. I have a little time today, so hopefully we can get on a brook trout. That's my goal for this video, is to catch at least one brook trout and I'll be happy. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch a beautiful brook trout out of this beautiful creek. Oh, there's a fish right here. Going. Wet my hand. Oh, he got off. He's hiding right under that rock over there. He might bite it again. We'll see. I'd love to catch him to see the colors. He looked almost kind of dark. That was a good size one too. Let's see if he bites it again. He's hiding right under that rock right there. Oh, I just saw him dart out into there again. He probably won't bite again, but we'll see. Alright, guys, well, I don't think this one's gonna bite again right now, but maybe we'll come back after. But that's a really good sign. First like 5 minutes and I already got a bite right there. So I'm gonna keep moving up. This is just kind of a deep trough right here. And I'm gonna keep moving up, try to find some deeper pools just like that one, and see if I can't catch a brook trout. I don't know if I'd really count that one as a catch because I lost them obviously, but what I find is like that they like to have a bit of cover. So I see that there's those rocks right there. It looks pretty good. So as you can see, I'm in like an urban environment. Like I'm literally in this person's backyard right now. But I'm not trespassing because I'm in the creek. But that just shows you that I am in an urban environment here. Going. No, he got away as well. I've had 3 now that got away. My hookup or my landing ratio is not good at all. Going. Oh. No.
No! God, please, no! No!
That's the 4th one I've lost. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or why they're not getting hooked at all, but that was pretty cool. I was watching him kind of chase after it, and I kind of waited for him to eat it a bit better. But clearly he still didn't eat it good enough, so. The hook still feels pretty sharp, so I don't know. I have a good feeling about this right here. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up this video. I fished for the past 2 days, 1 hour yesterday and about 2 hours today. Just fishing these urban streams and creeks, just searching for these brook trout. And I managed to hook into a bunch of them, but I can't seem to land them. So I don't know if my hooks are dull or what the deal is with that, but I just can't seem to land them. But either way, super fun days out fishing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the beauty of this video. These creeks and streams are absolutely beautiful here. And I'm literally smack dab right in the middle of the city. Even though there's some bush around me, it may not seem like that, but trust me, I'm in the middle of the city. And there's these little getaways here to get out and go fishing. And I'm sure they're in your city too. So anybody can really do this. All I'm fishing with is a worm and a hook. Super easy setup. And yeah, I've been catching fish. Well, not really catching fish, but I've been hooking into fish. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down there, smash that subscribe button, as it really helps grow the channel and get more people into fishing just like you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm hoping to still post frequently. So hope you guys enjoyed this adventure, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.